Alright, so Merry Christmas as well as Happy New Year. It depends on when you're watching this video. But in today's video, I'm going to tell you guys a step-by-step things that you can do in 2025 to become a profitable trader. And I'm going to tell you guys every single strategy you have to learn, every single tool you have to use, and the path that you actually have to follow if you want to become profitable in 2025. May take you 3 months, it may take you 6 months, may take you the whole 2025. It's up to you how you apply it. So let's get into the content. So basically, first you have to get a strategy that works, right? So the strategy I can tell you that to learn is learn about liquidity. So if you learn liquidity trading, again, you can learn it from YouTube, you can learn it from someone, you can learn it from a paid course, you can learn from anything. If I have to just go straight to the point, right? If you're watching this video from me and I'm trading liquidity and I'm profitable, which you can just get my course, right? You can just go through my YouTube video, you can learn, or you can get my VIP course, which has everything from A to Z. Or if you know anywhere that has a trading course, you can just go through. But remember, you want to get the course or you want to learn from someone that is profitable, that you can also replicate his success. That makes sense. So if you have a strategy, which I'm saying here, learn about liquidity. Doesn't matter where you are learning from. Learn about liquidity, and after you learn about liquidity, practice. And I'm saying practice, get on your chart, right? You get on your chart and you try analyzing. You watch the video. If the person tells you that, okay, if you have double top, that would be liquidity, price come and sweep and give you a setup, then what you do is you come on your chart, you take any chart, might be gold, EU, you just replay price back. You don't even replay first. You just go and try to look, try to get your eyes into seeing those things. If you can see liquidity, you can spot liquidity, you can spot liquidity grab, you can spot all of those things. After you are able to see them with your naked eyes, what you can do is you can now replay price and try to predict whether if there's a liquidity, that price will be grabbing it or not. So you have to, this is the way for me when I'm learning, right? You first try to get your eyes into seeing the thing. And then second, you want to replay price so that you can see if you can actually predict the price. So when you can do those two, for the replay, you can actually get an account with, I think, FX Replay. They are really good. They'll give you like a demo account where you can replay any price action and then you can try to, it's more of like you trading live, but it's like replay. I hope that makes sense. So that is like a good backtesting tool. So you backtest, you learn, you backtest, and that would take you probably up to 1 month to 2 months. You just do that every single day. Do it at least like 2 to 3 hours a day. And once you are able to do all of that, you can now come and demo. And when I'm saying demo, I'm not saying that you just come once a week and try to see a setup take. No, stay on the chart for like 3 hours a day. Come look at the chart and then try to analyze, get your setup, take it, and trade only one demo account. If you get, let's say, $100,000 demo account, get the $100,000 demo account and then trade the same account for like a month and see the consistency. Are you able to grow the account or you are able to lose the account? So if you are able to grow the account, then that's a good step. You can go to the next step. But if you see that you are not good at growing the account, you are blowing the account, then go back one step behind and try to see, did you learn the strategy well? Is it your psychology? Is it your trade management? Is it whatever? Try to see where the issue is and then go back from scratch, read it again, learn it again, okay? But if you are able to grow an account, then you can now go to the real account. But all of that, you have to get like a mentor that will like follow your path. If you learn liquidity by your own and you don't have a mentor to tell you that, yeah, this is what you're doing is good, this is what you're doing is bad, you can't improve, okay? Because if you are making a mistake, no one will be able to tell you that you are making a mistake. You're gonna keep making the same mistake again and again. And that thing happens all the time. Let's say that I'm using a laptop, right? And then let's say I'm editing or anything I'm doing, right? And then if I'm doing something wrong and no one tells me, I'm gonna keep doing it wrong the same way. I'm gonna keep doing it wrong. But if someone tells you that you have to do it another way, and if you try the other way and it works, then that's how you learn. You need someone to teach you. I will give you guys an example, right? I've been making YouTube videos for a while now, and at the beginning when I was making the videos, my image quality were really bad. You can go and check, right? My image quality were really bad. What did I do? I've bought a course on making videos, okay? And then I've watched the course, and then the guy was like, well, you have to edit your camera setting, you have to make it this way, did that, so that the camera will be better quality. I was like, oh, all right, then I'm gonna try that. And I start making it, and then my videos start getting some views. You can see a difference. You can even see the difference on the image quality right now. This is how it is now, and then this is how it was before. So you can see, you can spot the difference. So based on that, you can clearly see that it's because I've had like a mentor, someone's course, someone's teaching that taught me how to make videos. So the same way, when you are learning how to trade, or when you are trading, you also want to do the same thing. You want to get someone to teach you, want to get someone to tell you what you are doing wrong so you can improve. So when you have all of that, you can now go to getting a real account. And when you're getting a real account, you do not want to make, like, put a lot of money into the thing. So how do? You take about 3 months of learning, right? And then backtesting everything. And then you take about 2 months of demoing, right? You can demo for 1 month if you want. You can demo for 2 months, but I think 2 months is better. If you demo for 1 month and you're able to grow an account, try to leave the account and take another account, grow it for again for a month. If you're able to do that, then you can now get a real account. So 3 months for learning, and then 3 months for learning, 2 months for demoing, and if you are profitable within those 5 months, then you can now go for the real account. So when you go for the real account, what do? You get a prop firm account. I think that's the best way for you to go, because when you trade prop firm, it will teach you about risk management, trade management, all of those things. So you get like a small account, like a $5,000 or a $10,000 account. If you can afford, go for something like a $10,000 account, so it will make the calculation really easy. You know that on a $10,000, $100 is 1%. So what do? You can risk 1% per trade, which is $100, and if you're able to get a 5-hour setup, then you are making $500. So the calculation is really easy. So get the account and start trading. If you're able to pass phase 1, pass phase 2, and then get your live account and trade the live account, make some money, and then get your payout and use that payout to get a big account, and then gradually you can get to maybe $100,000 account or $200,000 account, get up to 10K in payout and whatever. You can actually grow really easily, and then within just 1 year, you'll see that you went from not being able to trade, be able to trade well, become profitable, get an account, get funded, and start making money consistently from the Forex market. So you have to follow that path. If you jump one, trust me, it's gonna take you far more than 1 year or 6 months for you to become profitable. If you don't have a mentor, obviously you might actually be able to improve, but it might take you a whole 1 year just for you to notice that you are doing something wrong and you now try to change. But if I was, let's say, your mentor, and you do something bad, obviously I'm gonna tell you, no, don't do this and do this, and eventually you're gonna grab, like, you're going to change the way you're doing, like making that mistake, and for you to get better in less amount of time. So I think that's pretty much the path you can follow in 2025 if you want to become a profitable trader. Don't skip any path and follow what I said here. Have a watch list, or I don't know, a bucket list, whatever you want to call it, and then follow, and I hope you the best that you'll be able to make some money in 2025. For me, the goal is get over $100,000 to $200,000 in payout in 2025. I don't know if I'll be able to do it, but this video, I'm gonna come back to this video, gonna watch by the end of 2025 to see if I'm able to achieve it or not. If you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe, and hope you the best.